Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping tables that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Fold Cook Station. You want options? The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station gives you plenty of them. GCI thought of just about everything when it comes to this kitchen cook station table. It sports 3 levels of storage racks or tabletops, has a cook stove, grill-compatible aluminum tabletop at the top, utilizes cup holders and hooks built into the side tables for extra pizzazz, sits just under the $100 mark, and folds down to the size of a collapsed beach chair, all in one foldable piece. You read that right, all of those side tables are already attached, so no losing a wing to the depths of your closet between now and next camping season. Moving on at number 4, we have the HELINOX Table 1. We were nearly convinced that the HELINOX Table 1 should take the overall best camping table winner slot thanks to its mere 1.5 pounds, its great packability, its 110-pound weight rating, its strong weather-resistant mesh top, and its snap-in-place easy setup. The only reason it didn't? The lower height profile works well between 2 camp chairs or next to the campfire but isn't the best for bigger groups or standing up to cook. However, when it comes to out on the trail camping, no table made a better impression on us than the HELINOX Table 1, making it the winner for best camping table for those who value weight over height. At number 3, we have the Lifetime Adjustable Height 24 inches by 48 inches folding table. Simple, spacious, durable, and affordable. One look at this folding table and you know its value. You've seen it at every camp craft corner, every picnic, every school fundraiser, every sports game. Any event you could think of utilizes this table. But what makes a Lifetime Adjustable Folding Camping Table stand out from every other camp table you've carried and set up at every family reunion? 3 characteristics: the adjustable legs, the carrying handle, and the middle fold design. Why else did we love this table? Because of its affordability. At number 2, we have the GOPUS Folding Fishing and Hunting Cleaning Table with faucet and sprayer. Cook like you're at home while you're camping in the woods or on the coast. The GOPUS folding table with faucet and sprayer allows you to connect a garden hose to both a sink and a sprayer for directed water flow and allows you to collect your wastewater in a bucket or gray water tank. No more dumping gallon jugs over your vegetables or filleting a fish next to the stream. Your workspace awaits you right at your campsite with as much ease as if you were standing in your own kitchen. And finally at number 1, we have the Camp Chef Sherpa Table. Outdoor Gear Lab called this table set an organizer's dream, and we have to concur, the Camp Chef Sherpa Table is the ultimate organization for your camping kitchen setup, despite its lack of height and tabletop space. In full disclosure, we were not able to test this table ourselves, but gathering the meta review material for the Camp Chef Sherpa Table left us with no doubt that the reviews were right, and it is the best camping table with storage.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.